Struggling with a PDF file that keeps saying it's corrupted? You're not alone. Here's how to fix a corrupted PDF in just a few minutes with simple steps anyone can follow. PDFs usually show a corrupted message for a few common reasons. The file may not have downloaded completely, your browser might be caching a broken version, or your PDF viewer could be outdated and unable to read the file correctly. The first fix is to re-download the PDF. Delete the broken copy, close your browser completely and download the file again. If it still fails, try downloading it with a different browser for a clean, fresh copy. Next, avoid opening PDFs directly inside your browser. Save the file to your device, then open it with Adobe Reader or another dedicated PDF app. Opening the file outside the browser solves many corrupted file errors instantly. If that doesn't work, clear your PDF viewer's cache. In Adobe Reader, go to Preferences, then Security, and turn off Protected Mode temporarily. On mobile, clear the app cache under Storage in the app settings. This forces your viewer to load a clean version of the file. Another effective fix is to try a different PDF viewer. Upload the file to Google Drive and open it using Drive Viewer or use Dropbox Preview. These tools often open files that Adobe Reader rejects. If the PDF was sent to you, ask the sender to re-export it. Have them export it again as a standard PDF and resend it through email or Google Drive. Messaging apps can compress or damage PDFs during sending. If you've tried everything and the file still won't open, you may need help. You can get fast 24/7 tech support at bit.ly/askatech or run a free PDF diagnosis at pdfwantopen.repair to check what's wrong. That's it. These solutions fix corrupted PDF files for most people. If you need more help, get 24/7 expert support at bit.ly/askatech or try the free error checker linked below.